Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing coffee. That's right, coffee. I'm super thrilled about this because, I mean, if you don't know already, I am an avid coffee drinker. So Javy sent me their coffee concentrate and their straws, and I'll show you the straws in a minute. This coffee concentrate is a microdose, and you use 1 to 2 teaspoons and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. So as you can see here, I've already been drinking quite a bit because I can't review this without telling you how I actually feel about it. So it's easy to go crazy with this and put way too much caffeine in your drink, so make sure you measure it. If you want more of a flavor than already in it, which the flavor in it is fine, it's strong, but if you want more, just use decaf or something like that, because, you know, some people like their coffee super strong, but if you like it just regular strength, this will do just fine for you. Now I did mix this with coconut milk, and I tried it with oat milk because I do not do dairy, so I tried it with both of those, and of course I add my creamers to it, which of course was oat creamers, and I really did enjoy this. I really do think this is great. This one little guy here is about $20, and it has, I think it's about 30 cups of coffee, so $20 and 30 cups of coffee is really good. I do have a discount code for you where you can save some money. I will have that on the screen for you. They also provided this right here. This is their straw. It actually comes with 2 straws, but I used one of them this morning, so I only have one in here. But this is what they look like. You've got the straw like that, and then you've got the cleaner, so you can just stick that in there and clean it just like that. And then it has this little rubber tip, which I think is such a great idea, because if you have sensitive teeth, you probably don't like the feel of these metal straws. They're not the greatest feeling on your teeth, but this right here helps protect your teeth and protect the sensitive teeth. So I think that is absolutely wonderful. So if you are interested in trying this, remember I do have a discount for you. Here's the discount code again if you need it, and I have their link down below as well as the discount code. So there you go. Anyways, that is it of this video. Let me know what you think of the coffee concentrate. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.